So in general, this lab handout takes us through numerous examples of or demos that come with the book, chapter 12, and I put together for you this well organized operating environment or project, which is, you can see how easy it is to copy and paste and try things and then change things as we need to. So similarly, this is the y-axis. So let's just try it very quick. Just basically tells us that, like, take this second thing, and we need another weight. Okay, so if we want to try this y-axis, then we can place it before we return as a next progression of our screens. And you see that it's doing similar manipulation of an object, like basically configuring the same starting point. The length also will be the same number of marks, different label here, and then different color, and also the label can have its own unique color. So we'll build this and very quickly test just to make sure that everything is working as expected. Right, so this is first weight. All right, here the next is the y-axis is constructed, and this is the way it appears. So we can have this construction of two objects. Now, of course, the most important thing is that we need to remember to attach these objects. Like, so we must attach them when we are constructing them. So just constructing them will not connect them to the draw call. If we attach them to the window, to the simple window, as we say right here, attach, then they will be shown. All right, then trying to like draw a sequence of points, I guess, with the sine curve. So we're just going to construct the sine, and so we just like you see, we can also change window title if we want to. So let's just do this portion right here just to see what is happening. Let's see, copy and paste, and then we maybe try to tweak it to do something. So after the two axes were drawn, like this new portion right here, we'll just say, how about we say sine curve, right? And try using it. So sine curve basically does the plotting of the trigonometrical values of sine, right? And the sine is defined as a function, like a math function, which is kind of cool. And we will try to make it work for us. So let's see. So we will try to modify it and play with it a little bit. So let's just go, before I go build, let me just not wait for empty screen, then first axis. I don't want to wait. I just want to quickly jump to the final result with the sine right here. Run it. Okay. Oh yeah, I need another weight at the bottom. Otherwise, the application simply exits. I need to build this. Okay. And run it. So this is how it looks like on my screen, right? So the sine curve. So it's being pushed up a little bit. So this is sort of like a, appearance that we have right now. If I resize this window, let's see like how actually how big this is. This is like enormously big. What's happening? So let's find out what is being done here with the sine curve. How come it looks like this exactly, and how is it being configured? So what's the matter? Like, how does it work? Okay, so let's read the documentation. So it says the range over here is from from 0 to 100, with the 0 being located at 2150. But what are the units of measurement over here? I know that sine takes radians as a parameter. The sine, a function that comes from the math library, it takes radians. But my question is, what kind of, so we need to find this function right here. I suppose it's part of this graph header file. So I just press Control F and paste this. And so here it is, a function. There's a constructor here that we need to be able to find. So let's do that.